Hello everyone! Today my new skincare product is an essence from BELIF. This product, the name is Hungarian Water Essence from the brand BELIF. That is really interesting because it's a Korean product and I am from Hungary, and when I saw the name that this one is a Hungarian water essence, I was a little bit shocked, so I had to try it. Since BELIF is a more natural company, they produce more natural skincare products. Their price is also a little bit higher, but you can be sure you will use a safe product. So as usual, let's see about the packaging, the abilities, and how to use this essence in the usual days. You can read on the tube that it's a lightweight hydrating serum that has an aqua-based formulation, increased hydration level, it's 20%, but the rest, mineral oils, synthetic fragrances, synthetic dyes, synthetic preservatives, and animal origin ingredients are all 0%, so they don't contain harmful ingredients, and it seems like it's a vegan product. It was obviously dermatologically tested, also with inspiration from Hungary Water Secrets, Napier's Aqua and original formula. I have no idea what is the Napier's Aqua. Anyways, it sounds good. So altogether, this essence is more like a water type texture, but at the same time it's not too much fluent, so if you apply it on, it will not just coming off your skin, it will stay over there. It's kind of like a little bit like a gel, so it's more easy to spread away. If we compare a more creamy and a more watery essence with each other, obviously the creamy type textured essence has a better moisturizing skill and they are more concentrated, but in the other hand, a water type textured essence has a faster absorption and they don't leave an oily or sticky finish behind. So since it's a more thick but water type essence, it has a really good absorption skill, and however for a few minutes you can feel a little bit sticky finish, but it will disappear soon. After that, the finish is just silky, more like smooth, and you cannot see a glowy surface on your skin. Therefore, you can use this product at night and in the morning also. If you apply on the nightly skincare products, toner, essence, ampoule, serum, lotion, cream, it's okay. It will not make the full skincare process too heavy. It's really lightweight. You apply tone, it's just a plus for your skin. And also, if you apply tone in the morning, it will not bother your makeup at all. If you wait just a short time, as soon as it absorbs into your skin, you can go on to the primer or to the foundation itself. Personally, I prefer more like a gel, more like a thicker textured essence to use, because I feel they are nourishing my skin in a better way. I feel they are more effective, but it depends on the product actually, so it doesn't matter. The texture was not a big deal. It was not too much watery and it was not too much heavy. So I really liked that the absorption is really fast and the finish is really smooth. So I can use it even in the morning before the makeup. It was a plus for me about this essence. Also, the smell is really mild. I cannot really feel anything. Just maybe really slightly natural herbal smell, but it will not bother any of you guys. Unfortunately, they use fragrance, but as I experienced, almost every single Korean company is using fragrance in their products, so I didn't expect anything else even from this brand. Other than that, it's a safe product, so if you are okay with a small amount of fragrance, it's a safe product, almost 100% natural. So now you know you can use this product at night and in the morning also, because it leaves a really smooth, non-sticky finish, so it's okay with makeup. And you also know that the smell is not bothering at all, it's really natural, really mild. And also you know that this is a safe product, almost 100% natural, except for the fragrance. Since I'm using this product, it's not because it's a Hungarian water essence, but my skin is really better and I keep using it every single morning and every single night. The price, yeah, it's a little bit higher than usual essences in Korea, but it's okay because it's a really natural product, and I think it's a really nice product. The design is like every other BELIF cosmetic. Actually, this one was my first product from this brand. I have never used this brand before, but I think I will try other skincare products from them because they are really natural and it seems like they are effective, at least this one. So I will try on other skincare cosmetics like toner or cream. We will see about that. So if you have a dry or even oily or just normal skin type, I recommend this essence to try. However, if you have a really dry skin, maybe this essence is not enough for you, but other than that, it's matching with combination oily, dry, normal skin type. So it's worth a try, I think. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel. Bye bye!